Hey, I'm Tom. Welcome back to my channel, Take Time to Travel. Today I want to give you a short tour of my Airbnb apartment that I'm staying in Montreal, and also the Plateau neighborhood that it's in. Have a look. So this is our Airbnb in Montreal. We've just arrived here from the train station, La Gare Centrale in Montreal, and you come right out of the hallway into a little kitchenette, sort of, fridge, microwave. There's a storage cupboard right here, 2-burner stove. Let's have a look. I don't know what's in these drawers. Some pots and pans and utensils. Not sure what we got here. Looks like a dishwasher and just some extra stuff here. Dish drying rack. It looks like lots of plates and glasses up top here and some coffee mugs. Perfect. And inside we have exposed brick in the bathroom. Let's have a look inside, and it looks like an old clawfoot tub that we've got here. Quite an older building, very beautiful. High ceilings. And then we come through into the bedroom area. It's all exposed brick, the one wall here. We've got a closet area over here and the suitcases. And nice hardwood floors, all been refinished at some point. Large dining table and 4 chairs, another large size window here, and a small sofa and table. And that looks like the entire place. Anyway, we're going to be here for 2 months, so I think this will do us perfectly. The laid-back Plateau area is known as a young, student-friendly, trendy neighborhood, where the streets are lined with casual cafes, laid-back eateries, busy bars, and contemporary galleries and theaters. Over recent years, the Plateau has been transformed into the country's premier street art corridor. Some of the murals are multiple stories tall and depict the history and culture of Montreal. Here are a few within a short walk of where I live. And right beside these vibrant murals are beautiful century-old buildings called plexes, which are popular in neighborhoods such as Le Plateau. Montreal's plexes are apartment buildings, usually 3 stories high, with characteristic outdoor staircases, which can be twisty due to space constraints. They're a mix of French-Canadian and Scottish influences. Nearby are many parks, parkettes, and green spaces. Le Plateau is a very green neighborhood with lots of tree-lined streets. The locals make full use of the outdoor spaces that they do have and fill front yards, balconies, and fire escapes with plants, vines, and shrubs. Laurent Boulevard, also known as the Main, is a busy thoroughfare lined with many shops, restaurants, and bars. The street is decorated with strings of lights hanging above the road, which goes on for kilometers. And lucky for me, the famous Schwartz's Deli is only a short walk away. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you could click the like button and the subscribe button, it would really help me out. Remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.